Hello guys, in this video I'm going to introduce to you the Log4Net, which is a simple library used to logging events in C# applications. Let's see how it looks like. So the first thing we need to do is to install the nugget package. So I have here the simple console application project. Let's right click on it, go to the manage nugget packages, and then we need to search for and install the Log4Net package. I have already done it, so let's see what is inside of this example project. So the first thing we need to do is to import the Log4Net and Log4Net config namespaces. I have private static field of type ilog, and I have initialized this with logmanager.getLogger, and the parameter is the type, which I use the primary class program. Inside of the main method, I'm invoking the configure method of basic configurator. So this is the basic configuration for the logger, which will output the data into the console window with the predefined default configuration. Then I'm using the private field, invoking the info method, which means that I'm going to output a message of type info, and the message content is testing the logger. Then I use the console readline to stop the window from closing automatically. So let's see how it looks like. I'm running the application, and as you can see, there is a simple log message consisting of several information. So the first number is the timestamp, the second is the number of the thread, and the third one is the type of information, message. So it's the info because I use the info method. Then I have the name of the program of the class, so console app4 dot program, and the message that I have used in this method, so testing the logger. So instead of using the basic configurator, I can also use XML configuration defined by myself. So I use the XML configurator.configure method, and I have provided a new object of type file info with the path to the logger config.xml, which is the XML file storing the configuration. So as you can see, this is a simple XML file. Using the appender tag, I am defining the log output. So I name the appender main appender. It is of type console appender, so the output will be sent into the console window. And I am defining the layout. So basically the structure which will be outputted to the console window. I am defining which information will be stored inside of the message. So the first one is timestamp, there is the thread, the level, logger, and so on. Then inside of the root tag, I am defining the basic primary level of message as debug, and I am using the appender reference to reference the main appender, which I have defined inside of the appender tag. So to use this XML configuration, I need to use the XML configurator.configure, and then I can use the _log.info just as before. But the logger will not use the basic configuration, but the XML configuration this time. So let's see how it looks like. And the output should be same as before. And as you can see, it is the same. So the third example I'm going to show you is using the file appender. So we are going to log information into a file. So inside of the root tag, I am adding another appender, which is the file appender, which has configuration right here inside of this tag. So it is of type rolling file appender. So each information will be added into the file. The file name is fileappender.log. I'm setting the append file to true, the maximum file size to 100 kilobytes, max size rollbacks to 2, and then the layout just as before. It is the same as for the console windows, console appender. So let's see how it works like. Right now I have configured 2 appenders, so the message will be outputted into the console window and saved into a file. So as you can see, there is a message in the console window. I have opened the file appender file, and as you can see, I have all these entries from the application, and basically each time I run the application, another entry will be added into this file. So that's why it is a rolling file. Each new entry is added into it. And that's basically all I have to say about Log4Net right now. I hope that you understood the concept. It is very commonly used inside of commercial applications. It is, I think, the most popular logging NuGet package right now. So it is very useful, and it's good to know how to use it and to know that such thing exists, because it may make your work much easier. So that's it for today. I hope to see you soon in the next videos.